food we eat. In this module, you will familiarize yourself with various types of nutrients and discover the different methods of cooking.
Need for food. All living beings need food. Food is one of our basic necessities. Food keeps us healthy. It protects us from various diseases. It provides us energy to do work. Everyone does not eat the same kind of food. We had different food requirements when we were babies, and these keep on changing as we grow. Kinds of food. The food we eat contains substances that keep our body healthy. These substances are called nutrients. There are 5 main nutrients. They are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. We get these nutrients from the food we eat. Water and roughage are also important for our body. More about nutrients. Proteins. Proteins help our body to grow. Sources of proteins are eggs, meat, milk, cheese, beans, and pulses. Carbohydrates give us energy to work and play. Food rich in carbohydrates is called energy-giving food. Sources of carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potatoes, and bananas. Fats also give us energy to do work. They also keep our body warm. Sources of fat are nuts, ghee, butter, and oil. Vitamins and minerals help the body to fight against diseases and keep it fit and healthy. This food is called protective food. Sources of vitamins are fruits and green leafy vegetables. A balanced diet. The quantity of food eaten by a person depends on his age and physique. A grown-up person like your father needs more food than you. People who do lot of physical work also eat more food. Children and young kids need more food since their body parts are growing. A balanced diet is one that contains all the nutrients like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals in the right quantity. It helps us to grow strong, repair injured parts of our body, and keep healthy. A balanced diet. A balanced diet should include these food items. In order to have a balanced diet, we should eat lots of these: fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. Eat some of these: milk, curd, meat, chicken, cheese, paneer, fish, nuts. Eat very little of these: chocolates, toffees, fried food, junk food. Be fit, be fine. Here are some rules to be fit and fine. Eat a variety of food, especially fruits and vegetables. Drink water and milk more often. Do not overeat. Eating too much can make you feel uncomfortable. You may also gain a lot of weight. Spend more time in outdoor activities. Food from plants. Sources of food from plants and animals. Plants prepare their own food with the help of water, air and sunlight. A part of it is used for their growth. The rest is stored in various parts like roots, stem, leaves, flowers, seeds and fruits. Human beings and animals eat these parts as food. Plant food is eaten cooked, but some parts can be eaten raw. Parts of the plant eaten as food. Roots, for example, carrot, radish. Stem, for example, potato, sugarcane, ginger. Leaves, for example, spinach, coriander leaves, cabbage. Seeds, for example, rice, wheat, pulses. Flour, for example, cauliflower, broccoli. Fruits, for example, mango, banana, grapes. Food from animals. Animals also give us a variety of food items. Milk. We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat and camel. Meat. Animals like goat, hen, sheep, etc. give us meat. Eggs. We get eggs from hens and ducks. Honey. It is obtained from bees. Bees make honey by extracting nectar from a variety of flowers. Methods of cooking. Cooking makes our food tasty and easy to digest. It also makes food safe to eat. Heat kills harmful germs that can cause diseases. There are different methods of cooking food. Methods of cooking with water. Boiling. Cooking food in sufficient water is called boiling. Eggs, potatoes, vegetables, rice and pulses are boiled. Steaming. Steaming means cooking food in steam. It helps to preserve most of the nutrients present in food items. Vegetables like spinach, peas, idli and dhokla are cooked by steaming. Methods of cooking without water. Frying. It is the process of cooking food in hot oil or ghee. Puris, samosas and jalebis are fried food. Baking. Baking means cooking food in an oven. Cakes, buns, breads, biscuits, etc. are made by baking. Roasting. It is done over an open fire or in a vessel. The food items cooked by roasting are chanas, brinjal, chicken and potato. Vessels used for cooking. Different types of vessels and utensils are used for cooking food. The vessels in which we cook our food are made of metals like steel or aluminium. Different vessels used in cooking are frying pan, karahi, pressure cooker, etc. A stove is necessary for cooking food. We use different types of fuels in different types of stoves. Different types of stove as well as the fuel used in them are listed below. Chulha, wood or cow dung cakes. Angithi, coal. Kerosene stove, kerosene. LPG stove, liquefied petroleum gas. Solar cooker, solar, that is sun's energy. Microwave oven, electricity. Avoiding wastage of food. We can avoid wastage of food by following these simple rules. We should not take more food in our plate than what we can eat. When food is not being eaten, it should be kept covered. Cooked food, fruits and vegetables should be kept in the refrigerator to prevent them from getting spoiled.
Let's recap. We all need food to stay healthy and energetic. The food requirements of the human beings keep on changing as they grow. The 5 nutrients of a balanced diet are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. The methods of cooking include boiling, steaming, frying, baking, and roasting.